In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post FB Reel on Hootsuite. If you have a vertical video ready and you want to share it to Facebook as a reel, Hootsuite makes the process quick and organized. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact sequence of actions you need to take, from creating the post to publishing or scheduling it. First, click Create a Post. This is the starting point, and it opens the composer where you can choose where your content will go and what type of post it will be. When you click it, pay attention to the interface that appears on screen, because it will usually show you options for selecting platforms and entering content details. Next, select your Facebook page. This step matters because your reel needs to be posted from the correct Facebook presence. Look for a list of connected pages, and then choose the one you want your reel to appear on. If you manage multiple pages, take a moment to confirm you selected the intended page before you upload anything. Now you will upload your vertical video with a 9:16 aspect ratio. Choose the upload option inside the composer and select the video file you want to use. Since reels are designed for vertical viewing, using 9:16 helps your content fill the screen properly on mobile. After the upload starts, wait for it to finish processing and confirm that a preview or thumbnail appears, indicating the video is ready to be posted. Once the video is uploaded, change the post type to reel. This step ensures that Facebook recognizes the content correctly and displays it in the reel format. In the post composer, there should be an option that lets you select the type of post. Choose Reel, and then verify that the interface reflects that selection, since that confirmation reduces the chances of posting it as a regular video instead. After that, add a caption. Your caption is where you can describe the video, add context, or include a call to action for your audience. Type your caption into the caption field. Keep it clear and relevant to what viewers will see in the video. If you plan to include hashtags, you can add them here as well, but you should make sure they match your content and fit within any platform limits shown by the composer. Finally, click Post Now or Schedule. If you want your reel to go live immediately, choose Post Now. If you prefer a planned release time, select Schedule instead. When scheduling, you may be asked to pick a date and time, so make sure you set it correctly in your local time zone or the time zone shown by Hootsuite. After you schedule or publish, take a moment to review the summary of your post to confirm the page, the reel type, and the video preview all look right. That covers everything you need to know. Once you follow these steps, you will be able to post your Facebook reel on Hootsuite confidently every time. And that is all there is to it.